Fall decor season is in full swing right now on Etsy, and this is the best time for a woodworker to try to make a couple bucks for those extra tools, or maybe get your wife something nice, like an extra tool. But I'm going to throw together a couple really quick, easy builds that you can probably sell, if not on Etsy, in your local markets. Let's get to it. I found a quick and easy one we can build utilizing a scrap 1x4. Let's get to the saw. First, we're going to angle our saw to 20 degrees, lock it down, and make that first initial cut. Now we're just going to touch these up with a little sandpaper, get the fuzzies off. Now we're going to go ahead and hit these with a little paint. This build is what I'm going to refer to as a mini or micro small. Gonna knock it out of some reclaimed lumber, so I'll denail this and meet you at the miter saw. These are all dried up now. Just did some basic cherry stain on them. And on the laser, I cut out some little sugar maple leaves. Just hit the plywood with some spray paint, wiped it off after a few seconds, and then engraved and cut them out. So I'm just gonna super glue those on. Give them a little clamp and let them dry. For this build, I'm going to be making some use of some 4x cutoffs that I have sitting around the shop. Let's go get this one cut up. This one I'm going to take down, I'd say about 4 3/8 here. now for a quick recap of everything we knocked out today. First up, candy corn. Always a traditional favorite around this time of year. But I know there are some candy corn haters out there. So if you're not a fan of the candy corn, I suggest the mountains. Quick, easy, same angles and size roughly, just a little bit different finishing work on them. Next up are mini or micro smalls. These are perfect for that little nook or shelf that you just don't quite have anything crammed into yet for this fall season. And last but not least, we got our pumpkins. All gussied up here a little bit. And I went ahead, knocked out a couple more sizes to do as a set. These actually went over pretty well last year. Not sure how they're going to be doing this year at all. But for the time and materials invested in this stuff, pretty sure this will make the most bang for your buck with your shop time. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching.